So on your screen now, we've got the Antler Gold exploration portfolio. And as you can see, we are active in Namibia and Zambia. I'm going to focus on our Namibian portfolio quickly. On a broad spectrum, Antler Gold is looking for gold mineralization in Namibia that is associated with the typical orogenic gold deposit style. And orogenic, meaning structure, what you normally need in those areas is a lot of structural areas of interest or complexity that allow for fluid to move along. And then you need certain areas that allow for the capture of fluid and putting together of economically viable gold deposits. In 2016, Antler Gold, the board of directors, backed myself to come down to Namibia and start looking at opportunities within Namibia. And because we were targeting the orogenic gold deposition model, a lot of areas in Namibia hadn't been ever explored for this. It was a different way of exploring within the region. And we thought that this was, well, we definitely still feel, and it's been validated by the recent discoveries of other opportunities, that Namibia is a growing gold destination. We are primarily active in what's known as the Damara Gold Belt, or it's becoming known as the Damara Gold Belt, and it hosts gold mines such as the Otjikoto gold mine that belongs to B2 Gold, Navakhap, which is a privately held gold mine and close to our Erongo Gold Project, the Dundu Gold Project, which is held by Osino Resources, and the recently discovered and now moving into develop the feasibility study, Osino Resources Twin Hills discovery, which is now north of 3 million ounces. I see I've got 2 million ounces on there. But all of those deposits and known gold deposits share similarities, which include not only the position of where they fall within Namibia, but also the stratigraphy and the relationship to regional and local structures. And in 2016, Antler Gold, at the end of 2016 and 2017, Antler Gold arrived in Namibia and started putting together a land package, which is now known as our Erongo Gold Project. And you can see that on the bottom left. The Erongo Gold Project, overlies, again, the similar lithologies and structures as Osino Resources Twin Hills discovery. And since 2017, we have built a conceptual model on what is known as our C2 target into a more viable drill-ready target. And we currently have several gold anomalies along that C2 target that are busy being followed up. In last quarter of last year, we signed a deal with what's historically known as the Arindi Gold Project, which we have now called the Onkoshi Gold Project because we are growing that project there. And again, it shares significant similarities to B2 Gold's Otjikoto and Wolfshag deposit. And I like to say, the technical teams at Osino Resources, as well as at B2 Gold and some of the other explorers that came ahead of us, have paid our school fees. Antler Gold is at an early stage in exploration, which is referred to as the concept or pre-discovery stage. And it definitely carries the highest risk when it comes to investment. And in this beginning, at this stage, what we're doing is we're building large concepts and now testing them with on-the-ground exploration techniques such as geochemical and geophysical to validate those concepts. We brought the Erongo Gold Project from conceptual all the way up to drill ready. The Onkoshi Gold Project is a historically known and tested gold opportunity that is still open. And now we're testing other concepts along with the known gold mineralization that has previously been identified there. And then the Paresis Gold Project is, again, Antler Gold taking its technical team and putting together a land package that shares the similar geological settings as other known gold deposits. Same mythology, same structures, and similar opportunities. And then we have various applications through Namibia. The company currently holds just shy of 390,000 hectares, give or take some here or there, of applications and active licenses in Namibia. And we continue to assess viable opportunities. That is a massive opportunity for us in the short term and the long term, as it is allowing us to build up a portfolio that allows us to attract potential strategic partners. Gold, we definitely are very bullish on the gold price. The gold price is going up. More investment is flowing into earlier stage exploration, and a jurisdiction like Namibia that is reasonably unexplored and extremely well liked in terms of infrastructure, and it's legal, is definitely going to become a jurisdiction of interest to other capital. What that positions Antler Gold to do is some of its non-core projects. It allows us to attract partners who are looking for a first step into Namibia, and it allows us to build a sustainable relationship with external investors bringing money back into Namibia. So we're looking forward to doing that. And then obviously we are active in Zambia. Our technical team played a significant role in the discovery and the expansion of a rare earth project in Namibia that is now listed as a separate entity. And we took those learnings and we're applying it to looking for opportunities like that in other jurisdictions. I think it's also valid to note that majority of the deposits that we are looking for, be it gold or rare earths, are all associated with orogeny or structure. And a lot of these times you come across these opportunities because you're looking in the same environments that you would be looking for gold, and you notice that there's a mineral opportunity. Again, this offers the company a low entrance barrier and an opportunity to get some short-term value to its shareholders by partnering it off with a good partner who then takes it through its most riskiest stage, the pre-discovery stage, and then Antler has a ability to get value from non-core projects.